I'm Harry Kirkpatrick, head chef at Trinity restaurant in Clapham Common. So the dish I'm going to prepare today is a Savarin with poached Yorkshire rhubarb and creme chantilly. So obviously this is a dessert. It features at the end of the menu. The Savarin itself is a vessel that we like to have on as much as we can, and then we'll change the fruit that we use as per the season. So we'll start by making the Savarin dough. So it's a very low hydration, a very dry dough. We simply start by warming some milk with some yeast. Leave that to sit and ferment for about 20 minutes to half an hour. We transfer that to the KitchenAid. We then add our dry ingredients of flour, salt and sugar. We work that for about half an hour. We incorporate some very rich yolk eggs. And then once that's come together and the gluten is developed, we'll then add some soft butter at the end. We'll line our Savarin tin. We'll line that with some spray grease and some flour just to stop any sticking. We'll then pipe our Savarin mix into the molds. We'll then let that prove for half an hour. Once that's proved, we'll bake that in a very, very hot oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. So we take beautiful forced Yorkshire rhubarb. Just roll that in a 10% sugar solution with some beautiful vanilla, some spices. We leave that overnight to macerate. We'll then transfer that to a backpack bag, steam that at 70 degrees until just tender. Transfer that to ice water, and when it's fully cool, we'll portion that for service. So we start by soaking the Savarins. So we take a really lovely poaching liquor as the stock syrup that we infuse some lovely citrus into and season with a touch of Riesling. We'll warm that to 45 degrees. We'll poach the Savarins until they're fully soaked. We'll let them drain. We'll pop that onto the plate. In the middle of the Savarin, we'll place the rhubarb compote. We'll then pipe the mascarpone ganache on top of that. And then we'll arrange the rhubarb slices in a rosace on the top. Garnish each piece with pig lemon thyme and silver leaf. Put a small well in the mascarpone cream. We'll finish that with the poaching liquor. That will then go to the table, and then at the table we'll place a spoon of the creme chantilly on top. So there we have our lovely Savarin with poached Yorkshire rhubarb and creme chantilly.